Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create and use custom fields in Recruit CRM. Custom fields let you store information that isn't available in Recruit CRM's default fields. To create a custom field, start by going to Admin Settings and scrolling to Data Customization. You can create custom fields for candidates, companies, contacts, deals, jobs, placements, and invoices. Recruit CRM supports up to 15 custom fields per entity on the Pro plan and up to 100 custom fields per entity on the Business and Enterprise plans. Let's begin by creating a custom field. Under Data Customization, select the entity where you want to add the custom field. In this example, we'll use the candidate fields. On the right side of the page, you'll see all the custom fields you've already created. To add a new one, click the New Custom Field button, enter the field name, and then select the field type. Recruit CRM offers several field types depending on the kind of information you want to store. For written information, you can choose text and long text field types. Text fields support up to 2,000 characters, while long text fields support up to 5,000 characters, making them ideal for detailed notes or summaries. For dates and deadlines, you can use either the date or the date-time field. For structured information, Recruit CRM provides number, checkbox, drop-down, and multi-select type fields. There are also dedicated field types for phone number and email address, file attachments, and social profile links. You can also create entity type fields to link records across different entities, such as associating a candidate with a company or contact. Once you select the field type, you can add a field description if you plan to use this field with the Custom Field Parsing Agent, which automatically maps imported data to your custom fields. After adding the description, you can enable it by selecting this checkbox. Note that a custom field's type cannot be changed once the field is saved. If you need a different type, you'll need to create a new field. Also, deleting a custom field will permanently remove any data stored in it. It's a good idea to review your setup carefully before making changes. Once the field has been created, click Save Field and the custom field will be added. After that, you'll be able to see it on the right side under the candidate fields in the Additional Information section. This section contains all the custom fields you've created. You can reorder these fields by dragging and dropping them to match your workflow. You can also turn visibility on or off, make the field required, or enable it on Chrome extension. Once you've made your changes, click the Save button. After you save these changes, every user will see the updated layout when creating or editing records for that particular entity. After organizing the layout, the final step is to make your custom field available on record profiles so users can start entering data. Since we created a custom field for candidates in this example, open a specific candidate's record. Then, in the Information Overview panel, click the pencil icon and select Replace Field. Here, select the field we just created and click Replace. This will make your custom field available on the Information Overview panel. You can then click the pencil icon, enter the field information, and click Save. You can also make this field available on the list view by clicking the Show or Hide Columns button and searching for your field. If it appears under the hidden columns, simply check it, and it will become visible on your list view as well. You can also drag and drop it to move it to the top, then click Apply to save your changes. And that's how you can create, organize, and use custom fields in Recruit CRM. If you have any questions, reach out to us via the chatbot in the bottom right corner. Thank you for watching.